G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the Ice Cream Bloke. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. Look, do want to thank our subscribers. We hit 8,000 subscribers over the week. Can you put a sound effect in there? So thank you to all those people who subscribe. And look, if you've come across this video and you haven't subscribed, you can be also part of this 8,040 people that enjoy this almost daily content of ice cream education, training, and business advice. Now, how do we provide all of this to you day after day? Well, it's not easy, but we do want to thank all of our episode sponsors up to this point because they do actually make it available for us to be able to spend time putting content together. This video is the Chocolate Shop Ice Cream based in Madison, Wisconsin. Dave Dedman, Chuck Dedman, Sarah Dedman, the whole Dedman family. Multi-generational ice cream family. They've got scoot shops. They make ice cream in 3-gallon tubs and pints. Look, a great partner for your business. If you're not really interested in making ice cream, but you want to sell ice cream, I would suggest chocolateshopicecream.com. The link is below. Give them a call. Tell them that this Headmaster sent you. Now, I've got a tip in this video that more than likely will save you, and I'm not exaggerating here, hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. You see, when you get to the end of one of these bags, and we're using a classic mixed gelato bag here, and honestly, you need to make sure that you get everything out of the bag. I don't know why we have this much liquid dripping off this bag. It is very humid in here. And apologise, we've got condensers and compressors turning on. We had a live stream session today where we were actually making some ice cream cakes. So if I'm going to take this bag and let's say I'm going to pour it into our bucket here for our recipe use. Now you can squeeze this bag as much as you want using all of your Hulk strength. But you're more than likely never going to get all of that mix out of the bag because there always is going to be some residue left. Let me get a towel here and wipe this counter off. So the idea is that if you throw this bag away right now, you're really throwing away profit. You're never going to get all of the mix back out of this hole here. So you can put that cap back on and then grab something that's a relatively hard surface. This is a pre-gel scraper. A rubber spatula typically isn't going to be firm enough. You want a nice firm edge. And you basically just scrape this bag down all away from the hole there, the nozzle. Scrape it down into one corner. And that way, you'll get to the end, and there's more than likely around about probably 2 or 3 ounces, maybe even 4 ounces of mix left in this bag. Now you can take a nice sharp pair of scissors, do a 3/4 cut here, and just let that run out. Again, you'll never get it back out of the nozzle just because it's not situated like it should be up in the corner here, or it could be. Another thing you can do is actually hang these in your cooler. I've seen some stores hang them in the cooler so they just gravity falls. One of the great comic cartoon series ever. A quick 3/4 cut here with some sharp scissors over your mix, over your hopper, and look, right now at filming this, let's say that's 4 ounces of mix. An ounce of mix is something like, I don't know, 5 cents an ounce. So that's 20 cents that you would have thrown away in that bag. And look, you might scoff at 20 cents and say, well, it's only 20 cents, but literally bag after bag, flavor after flavor for the year could literally be hundreds of dollars. Make sure that you're getting the most out of your bag of mix. Scrape those bags down. You don't need something as professional and as designed like this, but you will need something that's got a hard, flat surface. Scrape it down, 3/4 cut. Make sure those scissors are sharp. You don't want to actually have plastic dropping into the bucket. And that's it for this tip. I would like to think that at the end of the year, when you've got cashola in the hands, you'll say, thanks, Steve. Appreciate the heads up. I appreciate Chocolate Shop Ice Cream for sponsoring this video, and if you have a question, a quandary, a concern about the ice cream business, drop us a line. Either leave a message down here or email us, info@scoopschool.com. And before we go, just quickly, click that like button, click subscribe. I think if I'm reimagining the screen, here is the link to actually go to Scoop School. This is the subscribe button, and over here is another video you should be able to watch. Am I right? Let's wait and see.